If you enjoy cooking on a gas grill, odds are you've had a time where your burner has struggled or failed to ignite. In this video, we'll take a look at those different ignition types so you're more confident in your decision-making process. Let's get to it. Single spark ignition is a very common ignition method you'll see in low-priced grills. These igniters emit a single spark using a piezoelectric starter. The spark is normally fired by pressing a button like this one while you turn the burner knob to get the gas flowing. This ignition style is commonly used for igniting side burners as well. It's worth noting, because this ignition design uses a single spark, your odds of a first-time ignition are a lot lower than other methods. Next up, we have continuous spark ignition. This is like single spark, but battery power allows for continuous sparks, increasing likelihood of ignition. For this type, some grills use a push button paired with turning the burner knob, while others have fully integrated the firing spark into the knob turn motion. Flamethrower ignition is a very reliable method you will find on some better grills. This uses a piezo spark to first light a concentrated flow of gas that shoots a flame directly beside the burner. The flame makes wide contact with the gas burner, providing more odds for easy ignition. This ignition is integrated into the knob turn, so you can light your grill with one hand. Some grills with flamethrower ignition even have crossover channels between the burners. So even if one igniter gives you an issue, you can rely off the neighboring flamethrower to get grilling. Hot surface ignition is another very reliable method that some luxury grills use. This style uses electricity to bring a small heating element to a steady hot glow so that the gas can't help but light. This is integrated into the pressing action of the knob, allowing you to ignite the grill with one hand. It's worth noting, these grills do have to be plugged into a power source. In case your primary igniters fail, a very practical backup ignition method to look for in your next grill is a flash tube. Simply put, this is a metal tube that allows you to light the burner from grid level so you don't have to get your hands too close to the fire or waste time with a match clip. Guys, igniters can definitely fail, so having this option is very much ideal. Thanks for watching today. If you have a question about gas grill ignition types, give us a call or visit us online, and remember, at bbqguys.com, we smoke the competition.